Let's think.
Bear hunt, we're going on a bear hunt. I got my binoculars. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Oh, look at tall baby grass. It's so tall. We can go over it. We can go over it. Go under it. We can go under it. The helicopter work. We're gonna have to go through it. Swish, 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 swish. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear. My binoculars. I'm not scared. Not scared. Uh-oh. There's a big river. Ooh. Can go over it. We can go over it. We can go under. Go under it. Because I have to go through it. Okay. Splash. 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 We're going on a bear hunt. I got my binoculars. Yes, I'm not scared. Yeah, look, hold on, muddy, so muddy. Can go over it. We can go over it. We can go under. Go under it. Travel to go over it. I have to squash, 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 squash. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. I got my binoculars. My binoculars. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Uh-oh. What's that? It's okay. We can go over it. We can go over it. We can go under it. Go under it too. And to go into it. Are you sure? Step. Step, step, step. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. I got my binoculars. I'm not scared. I'm a little scared. It sure is dark in here. What's that in the corner? I feel too big ears. I feel too big with one wet nose. I feel one wet nose. I feel two sharp teeth. I know what that is. It's a bear! Let's get out here. Run, run, run. Let's go back to the kids. Step, step, step. Ricky, back to your mud. Squish, 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 squish. Let's go to the river. Splash my ass. Here's your my ass. Swish, swish, swish. It's quick to your upstairs. Let's go in the bed. We're safe. That was a close one. Let's not go bear hunting anymore.